everybody. Let's talk about the British Virgin Islands. They are so beautiful, known as one of the top yachting destinations in the world. I would 100% have to agree with that. I would add the Exumas in the Bahamas as well. And so I'm getting a whole lot of questions from clients. Can we go back yet? Is it worth it? What's open? How do we maneuver around there the best? So I thought I would do what's open, what to expect, a short little video, and then y'all can see if it's something worth wanting to put a trip together, which of course we're happy to assist with. We have all sorts of beautiful sailing catamarans, power cats, and also motor yachts at Blue Sky. All right, so the best way to see the British Virgin Islands right now is going to be if you're double vaccinated, because if you're not, you're going to have to undergo a quarantine. And of course, no one wants to spend this kind of time or money and deal with that. So double vaccinated, I would say you're good to go. And fly into Tortola, airport code EIS, which is Beef Island Airport. And then most of the time, your yacht charter can just meet you there, and then you can just go off from there. And then very close to Scrub Island is Marriott. It's very beautiful. And a lot of these places either went to the website and checked them out, made sure that they were operating, or I called them. So as of this day in January in 2022, this is accurate information. So back to Scrub. So Scrub has a really great pool. It has a slide for kids, well, of course, adults too. The food is excellent. You can hang out and enjoy the resort for the day. Really great marina, can fit well over 100 feet. So it's definitely a cool spot to stop in. And then from there, Jost Van Dyke, you have Soggy Dollar Bar, which is open. Also Foxy's. Then of course, Virgin Gorda, you have on Virgin Gorda a couple restaurants that I'll say 3 restaurants that I love. I love Coca, which is right on the beach. Amazing for dinner. They have fire everywhere and excellent food. So highly recommend Coca. Oil Nut Bay is also on Virgin Gorda, and they have a great restaurant, so you could pop in there. Also, maybe check that place out for a future stay, because they are all luxury villa rentals. It's a beautiful 5-star resort, and you may be making a trip back to rent a villa there, which we're happy to help you. We have all the villas on Oil Nut Bay. Then you also have Hog Heaven, which is on Virgin Gorda, and it is an insane view. So go for barbecue, and then you're going to get a really lovely view of so many different islands when you get up to the top. That puts you in the North Sound. So in the North Sound, there is a gem, which a lot of people know about Necker Island. But one of the things you can do on Necker is sign up for a wildlife tour, and it's through Gumption, and I think on the website it's called Nature Tour, which I'm happy to send anybody the link. And you can do a group or private wildlife tour on Necker. So you get to go and feed the lemurs and see the 100-year-old tortoises and the miniature horses, flamingos, parrots. You see the great house most of the time, and this is a very, very special experience. So that alone is worth going for. Definitely build that into the trip. We can connect you to Gumption. Let's see, what else do you have? You have Cooper Island, which is open. That's great for lunch. I love going there. You have, of course, the Bass, which I think I already said. Willie T. We all know and love Willie T. That's open. Saba Rock, I spoke with them today. I'm so excited to get there. I haven't seen the renovations yet. It looks amazing. You could go there for lunch or dinner. I think dinner there would be incredible. Right on the water, it's its own little, it's small, but it is, they have the renovation, they have gone like top notch. Definitely check that out. And that also may be another place in the future that you want to come back and stay a little bit longer. Those are my top favorites. Oh, you can also go to Anegada. Anegada is open. There are so many amazing places. Anegada Beach Club, which is one of my favorites. That's open. You could stop in there. So a whole lot of places in the British Virgin Islands that you could go and explore. I hope that helps answer a whole lot of questions that clients have been having about is it worth it or not. And if anyone would like assistance in booking a yacht charter or a villa in the British Virgin Islands, please let us know. Bye.